Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 28th of February, 2022. Yeah, I'm going to give you all the updated price prediction into the market in Crispr Therapeutics. Yeah, you guys can see it's been a while. November the 29th was the last video that I've done. And you guys can see since that time, I was planning weakness, and that is precisely what the stock has done. So we can't say that we're not surprised to see the market in Crispr go down. I mean, it was like a fall from grace. This particular stock, I know, was being pumped by a whole lot of people, and it just completely fell off the map. Nobody's really talking about this stock anymore. I wonder why. That's pretty much what they do when stock goes against them. They try to find another play, another bullish stock that they try to hype. All you had to do is go back and look at their timeline to see what used to be hot, because nobody else is really talking about Crispr anymore. But don't worry about it, I got you, right? Because I'm able to look at multiple markets on a relatively short amount of time to see where the plays are at. So if you guys like it, join the team, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm keeping ready. Guys don't want to miss it, right? You guys would have missed out on this profitability of 23% in Crispr, right? That's done, that is over. Let's move on to see what we have in store now, right? Is this a buy now? That's the question. The high into the market in Crispr started last year, beginning of last year. Here we are, beginning of 2022. Take a look. From that high to where we are at now, this market lost 72%. 72. Low lost about 77. A lot of these people up here may never ever see the market come back up to these particular levels. I'm just gonna keep it real, right? Just got to keep it real. Now, let's say you're not into the market right now in Crispr. Have you noticed this? Okay. Yes, we're now back to earth because when the market in Crispr in 2021 was trading around $220, we was on the moon. Now we're coming back to a place of earth, of stability, to where the market may actually finally be a buy, right? We saw the market back in March of 2020 bounce off this trend just like it did here on December 2018. Started this upward trend into the market in Crispr back here in 2017. So this is a very long-term trend, and you all can see it. Every time the market comes and bounce on this trend, what's the result? Yeah, market shoots up, it goes up in price. So we need to continue to see that now. Pretty much we already saw that right here on this day. So let me zoom in so you all can see it. Okay. We've already saw the beginning stages of that right here. This is where the buyers came into the market in Crispr. Okay. Right there. So we're at the beginning stage. It doesn't mean that we're done with the massive weakness, because this is a very strong downtrend. Yeah, and it's going to take more than one trading day to stop it. You want to see more or less this market in Crispr do this. You want us to see it bounce, trade sideways, because it creates a cushion that is going to stop all of this weight from falling. That is what we want to see. We just don't want to see one day to where the market comes and bounce. It starts to go back up immediately, because those are rarely sustained. You cannot sustain that, right? So that's pretty good to see, right? So we got it right there around $50. Okay. Plus right here around this ascending line, $50 is where it's at so far. Let's look at Crispr on a weekly. You see what happened on the last couple of weekly price bars, right? I want you all to see this. All of this is weakness, right? Starting on the week of January 24, 2022. That's weakness. Even here on the 31st of January, the week of. Even here on February the 7th. This is all weakness. But you know what? The market is not acting that way. We're not going down. Last week, yes, that's the indication that the market may actually be done with the weakness so far. I mean, look at this on the 2 weeks, right? We saw weakness on the last 2 weeks. We saw weakness going into this current 2 weekly price bar, but we still saw the market come right back to where we closed on the previous 2 weekly price bar. Buyers are here. If you don't understand what I'm saying, that's what I'm trying to say, is that the buyers are now here in Crispr. Okay. Look at this on the monthly. Okay. So now, considering that we've been in a downtrend month over month, month on end, this is where our restriction area lies now. Okay. So even if we were to expect the price in Crispr to go up, it's not the opportunity to be greedy, right? Maybe around $75. Next level is going to be 80, right? See, even though I may be playing the strength into the market in Crispr, I understand that we still got a lot of weight on this down pressure, that this is not one of those massive bullish runs that we're about to hit. We need to see that sideways trading for a while before we actually see that monumental movement higher price in Crispr, right? So yeah, I am going to play the strength into the market, but I'm not going to be massively bullish. Nope. This is how these YouTubers and these people who write articles, mainstream media pundits, get us caught up, is that they try to get us hyped up to think that market is going to go exceedingly higher in price when it's not going to be the case. So let me bring this down. All right, first area is going to be around $69, maybe $70. Okay, going to look for the market to get there in Crispr. I would say like 67.75. That would be the first location. That's about 13%. Like, that's still decent for us to see the market get that. Bring this in closer. And then the next area is going to be 70. So we got 67.75 first price target. Second one is going to be around $70. Okay. Now understand that strength, movement higher in price, it takes longer. So we might start out into the market in Crispr, seeing the market do this, but then eventually he's going to grab his legs and start to go up in price. Okay, I want you all to understand that. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of strength into the market in Crispr. Okay, two price target is $67.75. The second one is around $70, and we might hit 80, but that might be a while. Okay, or the high that came in on this right here. So let me give you three price targets. First one, 67.75. Second one's around 70. Third is up here at this horizontal line around $74, $75. All right, that's about it. Now it's your turn. I'm done. This is our updated price target into the market for Crispr. We're going to play some strength here. And now I want to know what you all think. Where are we going to go? Hit me up. Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.